In this video, we will show you how to reduce JPG file size. To reduce your JPG file size or your pictures, there are two methods. First, using compression, and the second, using resize files. Okay, this is free tools. The first method, using compress files. If you don't want to change the size of dimensions, for example, these dimensions 1280 multiply with 854. Okay, using compression method, you can just open this site, compressjpeg.com. You can see here. After that, you can upload the files and select your files, and we will compare the results with the original ones later. Then you can download and save on the desktop. And let's see. Okay, this is for compress method is 72 kilobytes, and this is the original ones. Okay, 74 kilobytes. And this is the first method. And the second methods, you can resize your files using MS Paint. And how to do that? You can just right click on your files and select open with and select paint. After that, you can click these tools. Just click resize. Then, for example, we want using percentage is 50%. Or if you want, you can also using pixels. Okay. For example, we just only need horizontal with 500 and click OK. Then we can click save as and save as JPEG. And this is for P like this, and click save. Let's close this, and we can compare. The original one is 74, and this is after we resize is just only 28 kilobytes. And that's all tutorial how to reduce JPG file size using compression if you don't want to change the dimensions, and using MS Paint to resize your files. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching.